Okay, for level 5, I need to compose a 1-bar rhythm using untuned percussion. So that's, for example, a drum or a cowbell or shakers. So I'm going to add a track, instrument track. This time, I want you to choose percussion, and then I want you to stick with general MIDI percussion. So this is the only sound where we have general percussion sounds, okay? And if you have this on octave 3, you've then got the kind of sounds you want in the middle. So here we've got nice drums. Okay. Cowbell. More drums here. These are kind of like bongo sounds, but they're kind of close. Yeah, kind of close to our, our kind of African instruments, percussion. So, it just needs to be a 1-bar rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to set up my loop by clicking on this. So it's just going to loop around my melody, and I'm going to practice until I'm happy with something. Okay, I'm going to do something like that. When I'm happy, I go to the beginning and I hit record. So this is my percussion. I might call this percussion 1. You can call it whatever. Run my notes. I'm just going to use those 2 notes. Nothing too flashy. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my 1 bar. See if I can quantize it. No, messed it up. So if I zoom in a bit more, zoom in and then quantize. There we go. So when I first quantized it, the notes, it kind of moved them too much. So if you zoom in more and then try to quantize again, it should be better. There we go. Now, for level 5, I've got a 1-bar rhythm using untuned percussion. What I'm going to do quickly now is just loop it by clicking on the circle and dragging it across. Okay, I can then have it going all the way through. Okay, so we've got that kind of those African instruments and syncopated, because the part's syncopated, we're getting that sound. So there we are at a level 5.